The federal government is set to commence the enforcement of sanitary laws with the constitution of mobile courts to try offenders. The Registrar of the Environmental Health Council of Nigeria, ECON, Dr. Yakubu Baba, disclosed this when he visited the News Agency of Nigeria, NAN. Baba said most cases involving environmental health could not be adequately handled in the conventional court due to the peculiarity of the sector. Describing NAN as a critical partner, he said the courtesy visit to the agency was to express its appreciation as well as rally support for its enforcement activities.
Since I assumed duty also in August 2020, we have been doing carrot method. But now we want to do the stick method. And the stick method we want to adapt is to go to the field and start enforcing the law. And in our effort to enforce the law, we have all the necessary instruments because we have the legislative framework, we have the guideline, and we also have a mobile court. Most of our cases are not cases that you can take to the conventional court because it's something that if you allow it to drag for too long, it will be injurious to the health of Nigeria. So we are ready with all what it requires for us to hit the ground running. We deem it peace to come here to let you know about the modest achievements we have recorded in the council, and to also give you the first-hand information on the roadmap we intend to embark in our effort to rebrand and also bring back the lost glory of environmental health services in Nigeria.
In his remarks, the Managing Director of NAN, Mr. Buki Bonle, urged the Council to ensure that the enforcement of the environmental law was not too punitive. He pledged that NAN would be in the forefront of the advocacy ahead of the commencement of the exercise.
In NAN, because we are ever ready, we have a health and gender desk, which also reports on population and the environment. We've been doing this for more than 20 years, focusing on what people are now talking about, the health of the child and the mother, how the environment could be sustained instead of being plundered, how the population can be managed, having the number of children you can cater to, not just procreating anyhow. We started doing this for almost 25 years now, and we still continue doing it because we know that without such in place, people, even the educated ones, will just take things for granted. We are here to do whatever it takes to enlarge the coast, to be in the forefront of advocacy and tell our people the right thing. Focus more on water and environmental sanitation. Focus more on things that will benefit, especially with the present administration, which is just collecting goodwill. We should tap into it and carry people along, people who are healthy, people who are able to do one thing or the other for themselves and the country.